All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about the upcoming hot hatch from Toyota. That's right, the GR Corolla. Let's talk about that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so we don't have any hard numbers, but there was a Reddit post that was taken down recently from a Toyota dealership that went to the Toyota press event, and looks like they found out some information that we weren't supposed to know. So let me tell you what was on that article. In this article, it discloses the horsepower number. Now, in Japan, the GR Yaris makes under 260 horsepower. And that wouldn't be enough if it was going to be transferred to the GR Corolla, because the Corolla is going to weigh more. It's not going to have the lightweight saving measures that the GR Yaris got. This is not going to be a homologation special. So this is just going to be an all-wheel drive hot hatch. It does say they are going to lighten the doors. So I don't know what they're going to do with that, but they're going to lighten the doors, so that's cool. They're going to do some weight savings measures there. However, let's talk about horsepower. 300 horsepower out of a 3-cylinder turbo. That's awesome. That is a great amount of power. That is almost Civic Type R power levels. That's almost current WRX STI power levels. And yet the pricing, everyone's guessing, is going to be around $32,000. So all-wheel drive, Type R doesn't have that. Almost as much power or less money. Sounds like a win-win scenario to me. I'm looking at like the GR86 as an affordable option, and the trim level that I want is $31,000. I get it, it starts at around $28,000. So this is only going to be like $1,000 more than the model that I was looking at with the GR86. Yeah, the GR86 looks better and it's rear-wheel drive and it's a sports car, but this thing's got 300 horsepower. It's a turbo, so you know you can tune it easily to get more power. Plus you have all-wheel drive. Like, I don't know, I guess I'm gonna have to wait till this comes out too to see what's coming out. So many cool cars that are coming out. All the styling that's on here is subjective. We don't know what it's gonna look like. We know that they're gonna add their own flair here and there. So these are just some pictures that give ideas as to what it could look like. So could be a lot of fun. I mean, it's WRX kind of because it's all-wheel drive. Probably won't be off-road focused. It'll probably be very street focused. But imagine like a more street-focused WRX, kind of. I mean, that's where we're at, 300 horsepower. I mean, I guess we could look at old Volkswagen Golf R territory, but also, again, like $10,000 cheaper than a Golf. So what's in this price category? WRX? It's the only thing I can think of that's all-wheel drive and turbocharged, but even that only makes 271 horsepower. So this is making more power out of a little tiny 3-cylinder than the WRX is making out of a big, giant 4-cylinder? That seems interesting to me. And for around the same price? I'm shocked. So we are going to get a very fun and exciting thing coming out of Toyota. So Toyota's on a roll. Let's go down their list here. So they have the Supra. Yeah, you guys can hate that it was built by BMW, but the fact is it's here, and that thing's fast, and it's fun. So there you go. We have the Supra. We have the GR86. Now we have the GR Corolla, and there's rumors that we're going to get an MR2 as well. What's up with Toyota? All of a sudden, they're the fun car company? I mean, I'm all for it, but you would have told me 5 years ago that this was going to be the case, I would not have believed you, but this is awesome. Hey, Honda, maybe make something fun other than like the Type R, because the Civic Si with less horsepower, that's not it. I'm sure the Type R is going to be fantastic, but maybe add a rear-wheel drive car to your category here. Maybe drive a mid-mount rear. I mean, come on, Honda. Let's bring back the S2000, S3000. Let's make something fun. Civic Del Sol. I don't know. You got to make something, Honda. Like, you're sleeping while Toyota is winning. So, what do you guys think of this new Corolla? I'm excited for it. I'm not sure if this is what should be on my budget for when I get like a fun, sporty car. I was really wanting a rear-wheel drive sports car, but 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive. And all the reviews that I've read from the Yaris, because I'm in the States, I don't get to drive the Yaris, have been spectacular. Like, this thing's fun. You want this over the Type R. So I live in Colorado. I live in cold country, so it may make sense to get that. Well, I don't know. I'll have to wait. But I'm excited for it. Thank you, Toyota, for making it. Regardless if I buy it or not, somebody will. And you guys are going to get a really fun car. What do you guys think? You're going to buy this or something else? My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.